Located in the highly sought-after Emerald Forest neighborhood of downtown Carmel-by-the-Sea, this exceptional, newly constructed property offers a perfect blend of timeless Carmel charm and modern luxury. Thoughtfully designed for comfort, flexibility, and effortless living, the property includes a beautifully appointed 3-bedroom, 3-bath main residence spanning approximately 1,600 square feet, along with a detached 400 square foot 1-bedroom, 1-bath ADU, complete with a kitchenette and in-unit laundry, ideal for guests, extended family, a private office, or potential rental income. The flexible floor plan is designed to suit a variety of lifestyles, featuring a convenient main-level bedroom and full bath, while upstairs you'll find 2 spacious ensuite bedrooms, including a serene primary suite. Warm, sophisticated interiors showcase hand-troweled, natural plaster walls, wide plank engineered white oak flooring, and elegant quartz countertops, creating a refined yet inviting atmosphere throughout the home. Designed with both wellness and efficiency in mind, the property features radiant floor heating, all-electric systems, induction cooking, and energy recovery ventilation systems in both structures for enhanced comfort, indoor air quality, and energy performance. Outside, the setting is quintessential Carmel, beautiful mature oaks, a welcoming outdoor fire pit, and rich Carmel stone accents create an inviting environment for relaxing or entertaining. If you'd like to see this home, give Patrick or Katie a call.